Hi everyone. Today, we're building a native Windows desktop app. We will use Rust and the winapi crate. This lets us talk directly to the operating system. It's powerful and efficient. We will create a simple window. It will respond to basic events. Let's dive in. Rust is known for its speed and safety. It's a great choice for system-level programming. The winapi crate gives us raw access to Windows APIs. This means no heavy frameworks. You get fine-grained control. It's perfect for learning how Windows works under the hood, or for making very lean applications. First, set up your Rust project. Type cargo new my_win_app. Then, open cargo.toml. Add winapi as a dependency. You need to enable specific features. These include winusr libloaderapi wingdi and airhandlingapi. These features give us access to the functions we need for Windows, messages, and drawing. Make sure you add default to the features list too for common types. Now, let's look at the code. The main parts of a Windows app are the window class, the window itself, and the message loop. We register a window class first. This defines how our window looks and behaves. We use unclassX to describe our class. It needs a name, an icon, and a pointer to our window procedure. The window procedure is a function. It handles all messages sent to our window. After defining the class, we register it with register_class_xw. This function takes our unclassX structure. Next, we create the actual window. We use createWindowXW. This function takes many parameters. These include the window class name, window title, styles, position, and size. It returns an HWND. This is a handle to our window. It's how we refer to it later. Once the window is created, we enter the message loop. This loop continuously checks for messages. Messages come from user actions, like clicks or key presses. They also come from the system. We use getMessageW to retrieve messages. Then, translateMessage processes keyboard input. DispatchMessageW sends the message to our window procedure. Our window procedure is a unproc callback function. It receives the window handle, the message ID, and two parameters. Inside, we use a match statement. We check the message ID. For example, WM_destroy means the user closed the window. When we get WM_destroy, we call postQuitMessage. This tells the message loop to exit. For any messages we don't handle, we pass them to def_window_proc_w. This is the default window procedure. It provides standard behavior. Remember, winapi functions often use wide strings. These are C-style null-terminated arrays of 16-bit characters. Rust has ways to handle these, like OS_string or dedicated crates for conversions. Compiling your code is simple with cargo build. Running it will show your new window. It might look basic, but it's a true native Windows application. It's built with Rust's power and winapi's direct access. Thank you for watching this deep dive into Rust and winapi. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. It really helps the channel grow.